The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor is designed to make food preparation quick and easy, with its patented stack and press design. Featuring a 350-watt motor and durable stainless steel blades, it effortlessly chops, minces, and purees a variety of ingredients. With a 3-cup capacity, it's the perfect size for daily use, handling everything from onions and carrots to nuts and herbs. The oil dispenser on the lid is ideal for emulsifying dressings and sauces. Plus, the bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free. Users love the Hamilton Beach Electric Chopper for its simplicity and efficiency. The stack and press design makes it easy to use without any complicated locking mechanisms. Just press the lid to chop and release to stop. The 350-watt motor provides plenty of power, making it capable of chopping tough ingredients like nuts and onions with ease. Its compact size and 3-cup capacity make it perfect for everyday tasks, while being small enough to store easily. The oil dispenser is a standout feature for creating smooth emulsions in dressings and sauces, and users appreciate that the blades and bowl are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. While the Hamilton Beach Electric Chopper is praised for its convenience, there are a few potential downsides to consider. Some users have noted that the 3-cup capacity may be limiting for larger meal prep tasks, making it less suitable for bulk cooking. Additionally, while it's efficient for chopping and pureeing, the chopper may struggle with very tough or large ingredients, if not cut down to size first. A few users have mentioned that it's relatively loud during operation, which might be an issue for those who prefer quieter appliances. Lastly, it lacks variable speed settings, so you have less control over the chopping texture. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor is a fantastic choice for those looking for a compact, easy-to-use chopper for everyday kitchen tasks. Its stack and press design, stainless steel blades, and powerful 350-watt motor make it a reliable tool for chopping, mincing, and pureeing a variety of ingredients. While it may not be ideal for large-scale meal prep or extremely tough ingredients, its ease of use, dishwasher-safe parts, and compact size make it a great addition to any kitchen. If you found this review helpful and want to explore more, don't miss out. Check the product using the link in the description and see it for yourself.